Hi and welcome to today's webinar. In today's session I'm going to talk a little bit about how it's essential that you have an understanding of the marketplace before placing a single penny at risk in the marketplace. Now recently we've had the US election and you'll be no surprise to find out that Joe Biden has been elected as President of the United States. 4 years of Trump and is now finished, and now we're going on to Biden, who's a Democrat. But the sad thing is that I've seen a few emails over the last day or so from people who've said they've lost money through trading the financial markets through the election period. Now, first of all, that's dangerous because you don't know what's going to happen in the marketplace, purely and simply because we don't know what's going to happen in the political arena. But secondly, people without education, people without an understanding, have lost money in the marketplace because they've gone on a gut feeling or on a whim, and that just doesn't work. Believe me, it doesn't work. I've spent the last 12 years teaching people exactly what to do, when to do it, and how to do it. So why would somebody do exactly the opposite of that? Well, they're trying to cut corners and cut costs and not spend on education. So what I've done is I've put together a video to show you the results of a strategy that I've been trading for years. I've been trading it now using Tekton, and it's going to show you the results for the last few weeks. And all of the trades I'm going to show you have been traded automatically using Tekton. Tekton will allow you to create your strategy. It will allow you to backtest your strategy and then trade it for you every single time your conditions are met, for as long as you want or for as little as you want. Now, at the end of the clip, it's going to also give you the opportunity to get yourself some fantastic quality trader education at a reduced cost. And this is so important, purely and simply because cost is the one thing that precludes people from learning to do this properly. They're put off by thousands of pounds for education, or 3 or 4 days at a workshop where they're just sold other products to. So I've got rid of all of that, and I'm going to offer you a Trading for Beginners workshop, which will allow you in just 4 hours, for less than the cost of a good lunch out, to learn exactly what you need to do, when you need to do it, and how you need to do it, and also give you access to Tekton Algo Trading Builder for free, and how to use it and how to set up your strategies to include it. So let's get on with it, and I look forward to receiving your feedback in due course. Hi, so welcome to the strategy itself. This is a strategy that we've been running and using for several years now. It's a very simple strategy. It's a simple moving average cross. Now, I've been using it on and off, as I say, for the last 10 to 12 years, and we've been very successful in our results with this. And we usually use it to identify turning points in the marketplace when the market's been moving in a certain direction and it's been moving, say, up, and then we want to see a turning point in the marketplace, like a movement to the downside for a longer period. Now, this particular strategy is being running on a lower time frame 5-minute period. This is the 5-minute period here, and it's on euro dollar. And if we look at the algorithms themselves, it's a very simple moving average cross. If the moving average 50 crosses from above to below moving average 200, we're selling. And if the moving average 50 crosses from below to above moving average 200, we are buying. So it's a simple moving average cross. And we can see that the results we're getting so far, and the results we've been getting so far, have been around the 2,000 pip mark. Now that's great, but that's over a period, if you like, of several years, say 2 to 3 years. So what I want to do is I want to share with you the results we've been getting over the last couple of weeks. So if we go here, we can see here, this is the last couple of months. Okay, now we've got a situation here where we've got profit and loss. Okay, so we've got profit and loss here from the 1st of September to the 30th of October. Now, for a period of, if you like here, of about a month we didn't trade this strategy, and the reason we didn't trade this strategy is purely and simply because of the election in America. I switched it off purely and simply because I didn't want it to trade through periods of extreme volatility. Here, for example, notice what I said in the opening clip. A lot of people lose money because they trade through news releases without knowing what to do. Professional traders, people who know what they're doing, will tend to stay away from trading during those periods. So this is technically only about probably 4 weeks of trading. And as you can see, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 winners, and we've got 6 losing trades. But look at the value of the winning trades compared to the losing trades. So this has meant that every single time the trade has opened, it's looking for either a 214 or thereabouts loss or a 600 euro win. And you can see there's the total profit for the period there. Not a huge amount. But again, you know, this isn't about trading and getting helicopters and massive properties together. This is about sustainable profit over a sustainable period. And notice they've all been taken using API, which is the open origin, and the way that the trades have been traded is with Tekton. So Tekton has traded and taken those trades every time those conditions were met in the marketplace. Now, you know, again, you can't be in front of your computer screen 24 hours a day, 7 days a week in some cases, or 5 days a week. It's impossible. You need to sleep, you need to work, you need to do other things. And that's why Tekton is a huge bonus to retail traders around the world. So once you've clicked the Create New Strategy button in Tekton, you'll have access to this screen here, which is where you add your algorithms, and you can use a whole variety of indices and indicators and commands. For example, you've got loads of indicators to choose from. You've got normal price action, you've got momentum indicators, you've got pre-loaded patterns, and there are loads of these patterns that you can choose from. Some, if you're experienced traders, you'll recognize these, and the potential is endless with using Tekton, and you can use all of these indicators to create your own algorithms. You've got trend indicators, you've got all of these here, and you've also got volatility indicators as well. So once you've chosen the indicator you want to use, you simply just choose it like so and create the strategy that you want to use, and your algorithm string just keeps building. So if the RSI 14 and you want it to be less than number 20, for example, and click apply, and then you want to buy every time that's below 20, you do so, and you've created your buy condition. It's that simple. You can also import. You can import a code and you can export a code. So the whole potential of Tekton is endless. Click the link below and accompanying this video so you can see for yourself. So there you go, you've seen Tekton working for yourself. You've seen how a strategy that I've used over the last few years and created reasonably good success from it, how successful it's been over the last few weeks, and how you too can replicate that and many other indicators to create your own algorithms. Gone are the days of using expert advisors that cost money and take time. Gone are the days of buying robots. When you buy a robot, you're paying money for something you don't know if it's going to work, only what it's claimed to do. Tekton gives you the power as a trader. It's free to use, it's simple to use, and you'll find accompanying this video some links on how you can get your Tekton working for you straight away. You have full support of the team, you have full support of myself, Mark Sapsford, Head of Trading, and I look forward to working with you in the coming weeks ahead. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.